Introduction to RESTful API. RESTful API is a key player in web technologies. Origin of RESTful API. RESTful API was introduced around 2000 by Roy Fielding. The aim was to standardize the web. Definition of REST. REST stands for Representational State Transfer. It's a set of rules for how applications should communicate. Standard HTTP methods in RESTful API. GET for reading, POST for creating, PUT for updating, delete for deleting. Usage of RESTful API in popular platforms. Facebook, Twitter, or Google Maps use RESTful APIs for communication and data exchange. Role of ACE. APIs act as the middleman, taking requests, informing the system, and delivering the response back. Stateless in RESTful APIs. Each request from client to server must contain all info needed to understand the request. Data format in RESTful APIs. RESTful APIs can return data in different formats like JSON and XML. Developments in RESTful API. RESTful API has become the standard for building web services due to its simplicity and scalability. Presence of APIs in the digital world. APIs are everywhere, from social media platforms to online shopping. Future importance of RESTful APIs. The importance of RESTful APIs is expected to grow and continue playing a vital role in web development. Conclusion on RESTful API. RESTful API is an essential tool helping apps to communicate with each other. To learn more on this topic and other skills, follow GyataAI.